Good morning, Lewis and Clark Elementary Grizzlies. This is Mr. White, Assistant Principal, and I'm here to bring you your announcement for today, which is Wednesday, October 20th. When you're having a problem with someone and you don't know how to heal the problem, it can be a good idea to talk to a person that you trust, like a parent, a counselor, or even a spiritual leader. But what's the difference between sharing our private feelings in order to heal a bad situation or gossiping? Gossiping means saying ugly things or mean things about someone behind his back, or talking about someone else's business that doesn't pertain to you. Sometimes when we gossip, we think we make ourselves look better by making others look bad, but it's not true. Now listen to what the ancient Greeks said. When one is not good himself, he likes to talk of what is wrong with others. Remember this. You and your time are too precious to spend gossiping. Do the right thing. Instead of gossiping, spend your time thinking about what's good about you and what's good about others. Let's make great decisions today, because that's going to lead us into our day today called Unity Day. Now, Unity Day is started by Pacer's National Bullying Prevention Center as a signature event of National Bullying Prevention Month. The call to action was make it orange and make it end. I am wearing an orange tie today. You'll see many other people in our building wearing orange today. You'll see many people in our school district and other schools in Caroline and other schools in Virginia and across our country uniting against bullying. Now, when we think about bullying, sometimes we think about someone being physical or hitting or putting our hands on people. But think about our message today, because that can be true. But also gossiping and talking about other people with our words can also be a form of bullying. And that is not what we're going to have at our school. We are going to be respectful. And again, listen to that message, thinking about what's good about you and especially what's good about others. So I want you to think about what other words unity or coming together may be. You're going to talk about with your class today in homeroom. So now if you can please join me for the pledge to the flag. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Now let us pause for a moment of silence. Thank you. As I said, it is October 20th, which means it is birthdays for some of our students here. We have two birthdays, Morgan Knight in 3rd grade and Ethan Uncle in 2nd grade. Happy birthday to you both. I hope you have a lovely day. Our book fair kicked off last night. Mrs. Fisher and our staff members who stayed to assist said it was a great event. So please think about a nice way to thank them for their time. And also check out the great selection of new books that you can have in your hands and to take you into either a fantasy world, learn something new, or just read to be entertained for your time. All those new books are in the book fair for you. Today is Encore Day 2. Encore Day 2. On Friday, our report cards will be live. Now, what that means is when you log in online and your parents log in online to Power School, your report cards will be there. So I hope all that hard work and good decision making will pay off for you. Before we leave today, I need you to join us in a united Grizzly roar. I am responsible. I'm organized and prepared. I am accepting of self and others. I am respectful. I am safe and orderly. Now let's bring it all together as a united front and hear that Grizzly roar! Grizzlies, we're all in this together. Make it a great day.